focus now will be on the NDA alliance partners. What will they ask that impacts people and their constituents on the ground now that they're part of the NDA? Like we told you 24 hours ago, breaking exclusively on India Today, that after the Janata Dal United had asked for a review on the Agniveer scheme for the armed forces, Congress has jumped on that as too. Congress's Tariq Anwar is also asking, not like JDU that it should be reviewed. He's asking it should be scrapped. But why does he want Agniveer scheme to be scrapped? Listen in to Tariq Anwar of the Congress Party.
अग्निवीर का जहाँ तक सवाल है, हम लोग पहले दिन से उसका विरोध कर रहे हैं और हमारे घोषणा पत्र में भी उसमें भी इस बात का जिक्र है। बिल्कुल होना चाहिए। बिल्कुल समीक्षा ही नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसको समाप्त करना चाहिए, जितना जल्द हो इसको समाप्त करना चाहिए। ये देश के सुरक्षा के लिए मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत ही ख़तरनाक है। हमारे जवान जो शहीद होते हैं उनको शहादत का दर्जा नहीं मिले, उनके बच्चों की कोई आगे भविष्य की उनकी सुरक्षा ना हो, तो ऐसे योजना का या ऐसे कार्यक्रम को कैसे समर्थन दिया जा सकता है?
So one of the big demands is the Agnipath scheme that is required of a review and even a scrap, according to the Congress Party. Just to give you a quick background, 2022 was when the scheme was launched. It recruits young men for a 4-year term, will retain only 25%. All of them, others will be then released from it. This had led to a lot of criticism, even though the government had stood by the scheme. Why has Agniveer scheme become the big issue of the NDA alliance partners' demands? Here's a report on that.
The Agniveer short duration tour of duty scheme of the Narendra Modi government is once again in the line of fire. The opposition had made it an election issue, demanding the scheme be revoked. A key BJP ally in Modi 3.0 government, the Janata Dal United, has gone on record demanding a review of the scheme.
देखिए, अग्निवीर योजना को में नए तरीके से सोचने की आवश्यकता है। जो सुरक्षा कर्मी थे, जो सेनाओं पे तैनात थे, उसके बाद जब अग्निवीर योजना आई तो एक बड़े तबके में असंतोष था। मेरा ऐसा भी मानना, उनके परिवारजनों ने भी चुनाव में विरोध जाहिर किया, लिहाजा इस पर नए तरीके से विचार विमर्श करने की आवश्यकता है।
And Tyagi is not a lone voice in the political ecosystem seeking a review of the Agnipath scheme. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, after his Bharat Jodo Yatra in the run-up to 2024 elections, repeatedly spoke of throwing the scheme in the dustbin if the Congress came to power. He claimed Agniveers were being reduced to being laborers in the army.
मैं आपसे सबसे पहले ये कहना चाहता हूं, नरेंद्र मोदी कुछ भी कहें, 4 जून के बाद इंडिया की सरकार आने वाली है। अग्निवीर योजना को फाड़ के हम कूड़ेदान में फेंकने जा रहे हैं।
However, the Congress could only muster 99 seats, but along with other opposition partners, the chorus from 234 opposition MPs has been to take another look at the scheme. Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav insisted the scheme should be scrapped.
समाजवादी पार्टी कभी भी अग्निवीर व्यवस्था को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकती है। फौज की नौकरी बढ़े, नौजवान वर्दी पहन करके सीमा की रक्षा करना चाहता है। पहले लाखों में नौकरी मिलती थी फौज की, इन्होंने हजारों में कर दी है। पुणे लाखों में भर्ती होनी चाहिए, जिससे ज्यादा लोगों को नौकरी मिल सके और देश की सीमा की रक्षा में जा सके।
The Agniveer scheme has repeatedly run into rough weather, with critics saying finding jobs becomes difficult for soldiers after exiting forces. No pension benefits for Agniveers. Forces may lose experienced soldiers, and shorter training period impacts performance.
The Agniveer scheme has been the subject matter of a lot of controversy. So when there's a new dispensation in power, they should look at all these things afresh.
The Narendra Modi government had introduced the Agnipath scheme, saying it provided more youth an opportunity to serve the nation. The armed forces got a youthful profile. They insisted on best training to enhance skills, and that 25% soldiers would be retained in the armed forces and more in the central armed and state police forces.
जो 75% बच्चे बचे हैं, युवा बचे हैं, इनके लिए भाजपा शासित सभी राज्य सरकारों ने अपनी पुलिस फोर्स में 10% से 20% रिजर्वेशन किया है.
Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh had earlier said that the scheme was being reviewed to ensure any anomalies are removed.
मैं अग्निवीर के जवानों को आश्वस्त मैं करना चाहता हूं कि किसी भी सूरत में हमारी सरकार उनके भविष्य के साथ खिलवाड़ नहीं होने देगी.
The Agniveer scheme was launched in 2022 and government officials say it's constantly being reviewed to make it better both for the youth and the armed forces. Bureau Report, India Today.